Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to write a Python code for speech recognition. Speech recognition in Python can be implemented using several libraries, with the most popular being speech recognition and PyDL. We are going to use a speech recognition library. First, you will need to install the necessary libraries. You can do this using pip. You can open a terminal and just type pip install speech recognition and hit enter. This should be double E, speech recognition. And then you can install same way for Pi audio. I have already on my system, so I don't need it. So first we are going to import speech recognition as SR. Initialize recognizer. Use the microphone as the audio source. Toss in source. And now just print the message. Please speak something. And listen for the first phrase and extract into audio data. Then we have a try and a set block. Here we are going to recognize speech using Google Web Speech API. And get the exception. Unknown value error. Sorry, I could not understand the audio. Could not request results from Google Speech Recognition Service. Now I'm just going to run the code and I'll speak hello world. Let's see if it recognizes it. Hello world. So it was able to recognize my speech. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.